Crooks, Product Manager for Vibratory and the Fusion platform line, and I'd like to take you around our new Anthem, which we're really excited about. It's been a 1 to 2 year project with delivering voice of customer feedback in our screen. Essentially what we did, we went to a few major producers, some focus group work, and we found out what customers want. How would they build a screen? From that, this is what we've achieved. Come see it. I'll talk a little bit about some of the standard features that you'll recognize from the Guardian, those of you who are familiar with that product. But full height corner supports, full height stiffener plate. On the other side I'll show you, but there's a drive assembly stiffener ring. This is all about strength. A vibrating screen needs strength. These full height stiffener plates are really important, helping us improve the product reliability throughout its full life cycle. Come around here, we'll show you some other things. You'll notice as the same in the Guardian, you'll see our bolt-on hinged access doors, which on the Guardian and on this screen we have the spray bar knockouts. Round the back of the screen we have oversized deck access that most customers, when they work on a screen, they want to be able to get in and access the media. We'll take you around the front and you guys can see that. It's 18 inches on average, but it allows an operator to get in there and start working on changing out media. Let's come over here. Our deck frames. We're really lucky. When we started looking at what our design should be, we based it on our triple shaft. Our triple shaft screens, as a lot of you know, runs at a much higher G-force, and we thought, why not bring that design into the Anthem, which gives our customers a much more stronger product, a much more stronger and reliable deck frame. It's based on the triple shaft, not exactly the same, but it's the same genesis. So on this side, where we left our guards off for the show, what we're showing here is our dual shaft design, and this is typically on a 7 foot and 8 foot wide, but it's primarily used for, allows application flexibility, and depending on media and density of material, we may change that setup, but the flexibility is there to enable the customer to run their operation and run their screen effectively. We're also able to adjust the speed and stroke by adding these plates really effectively, and you adjust it, call the factory before you do it, and we'll help you with the setup. You'll be pretty familiar here behind this sign. You can see our VS2 suppression system. This is obviously offered on our Guardians, and it's a reliable suppression system only needed for startup and shutdown. This is a really good vantage point off our new Fusion platform to take a look at the top deck of the Anthem. And it's another voice of customer feedback is our deeper feed box. This is 18 inches deep. It's an integral design, which means it'll be stronger for customers. It's not a bolt-on design, as you can see here. A couple other points I'd like to note on the aftermarket side. Take a look at those urethane bucker bar strips. They typically last 3 to 5 times longer than conventional bucker bar rubber. A really simple product to put on. Contact the aftermarket department, we'll take care of you. We wanted operators to be able to get in here and access the media, to be able to change out screens, change out mesh, work on their product. This oversized deck access means we have taller side plates, but it's much better for the customer. Also on here, we're showing a polydeck product, but I wanted to share with you some of the lining products we have. This is a magnetic rubber liner, which we have available. Contact our aftermarket department. We also have it on our feed box. And the magnetic product is a little more expensive, but it's easier to install. You don't have to deal with nuts and bolts and hardware. You just have to watch your fingers. That's the Anthem. Voice of customer product, new for 2020. Full range, 5 of 14 through 8 by 24, 2, 3, and we are going to have a 4 deck option in a 6 by 20 coming later in the year, and we have that option in an 8 by 20.